Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds to a MacBook for music, calls, or videos but are unsure where to start, the process is usually much easier than expected. Sometimes the Galaxy Buds show up but refuse to pair, while other times the MacBook cannot find them right away during Bluetooth search. Since Samsung Galaxy Buds work through Bluetooth and can connect to devices outside the Samsung ecosystem, knowing the correct pairing steps can make everything feel much smoother. The best part is that once the connection is complete, your MacBook should remember the Galaxy Buds for quicker use next time. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds to a MacBook. Try these. Step 1. Place the Samsung Galaxy Buds inside the case and open the lid near the MacBook. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth from settings on the MacBook before pairing the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Step 3. Put the Samsung Galaxy Buds into pairing mode if they do not appear automatically. Step 4. Select the Samsung Galaxy Buds from the Bluetooth list on the MacBook. Step 5. Wait while the MacBook finishes connecting with the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Step 6. Test sound through the Samsung Galaxy Buds and confirm audio works normally on the MacBook.